Hello everyone, in this video we are learning about area of a rhombus, activity and its mathematical proof. So for the activity, the materials required are graph sheets, color pencils, glue, scissors and two congruent rhombuses. Take two congruent rhombuses and mark its diagonals. And stick one rhombus in your classwork and another rhombus cut into 4 parts along its diagonals. And we know that diagonals are perpendicular to each other. Therefore, we will get 4 congruent right angle triangles. Now arrange these 4 congruent right angles in such a way that you will get a rectangle and mark its diagonals. Now observe, we can conclude that 2 into area of rhombus is equal to area of rectangle. Now observe the area of the rectangle. D1 is parallel to its breadth and D2 is parallel to its length. Therefore, length into breadth is equal to diagonal 1 into diagonal 2. As we took 2 into area of the rhombus as diagonal 1 into diagonal 2, now area of the rhombus is equal to half into product of its diagonals, that is D1 into D2 square units. Now observe mathematical proof. So when you know that the diagonals of the rhombus perpendicular to each other, we will get right angle triangles. So take one right angle triangle, then its side will be half of the diagonal, that is D1 by 2, and another side will be half of the diagonal, that is D2 by 2. Therefore, area of the triangle is half into base into height, that is half into D1 by 2 into D2 by 2. Therefore, it becomes D1 into D2 by 8. We took only one triangle. Now we know that we have 4 right angle triangles. Therefore, area of a rhombus is 4 into area of right angle triangle, that is 4 into D1 into D2 by 8. Therefore, D1 into D2 by 2, that is half of the product of its diagonals. If you want to find the side of the rhombus, we know that it is a right angle triangle. We can apply the Pythagoras theorem. So apply the Pythagoras theorem to find the side of a rhombus, that is AB square is equal to BO square plus AO square, that is square of the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of other two sides. As we know, it is diagonal 1 by 2 whole square plus diagonal 2 by 2 whole square. Therefore, AB square is equal to D1 square by 4 plus D2 square by 4. If you want to find out AB, find its square root, that is AB is equal to square root of D1 square plus D2 square by 4. It's nothing but square root of D1 square plus D2 square by 2. Therefore, we got area of the rhombus as half into product of its diagonals. If you want to find the side of the rhombus, it's nothing but square root of D1 square plus D2 square by 2. So we can check so many real life examples about the rhombus. Thank you.